In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most interesting ways that you can use to start earning money with CPA marketing. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. As you can see right on my screen, Google Captcha. If you are a frequent user of the internet, you must have definitely come across Google Captcha at one point in time where you are asked to verify that you are not a robot. So basically, I'm going to show you how to use what is called Captcha lockers to start making money with CPA marketing. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for the CPA course and start making money with CPA marketing. So the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You need a content to lock, okay? And to get content, I'm going to show you one of the best platforms that you can get free content. And that is by coming over to reddit.com. So if you come over to Reddit, you can find various niches right here, and you can think of Reddit as a Facebook group. Okay, so you come over to Reddit. So I'm going to take funny videos as an example in this video. So if I type in funny videos right here, you can see this is a subreddit that is dedicated to sharing funny videos. And you can see this subreddit has over 700,000 members. So what you want to do from here, you don't have to use funny videos. You can type in whatever niche you want. You can type in health and fitness or whatever you can think of. Okay, so you don't have to use this. I'm just taking this as an example. All right, so once you come over to the subreddit, you want to click on this top right here. So basically this is going to show you the videos that are getting the most engagement on that subreddit. As you can see, this video right now is currently getting the most engagement on this subreddit. You can see right here almost 7,000 upvotes on this video right here. Okay, and now you can see the video say petting your dog is one of the most relaxing thing. All right, and definitely this must be a funny video right here, and you can see the comments, over 100 comments on this video. It was posted 17 hours ago. So what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to screenshot this page right here. All right, so I'm going to pull up my snipping tool right here, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this video. Okay, so once that has been taken, all I need to do now is to save this screenshot to my device. So the next step now is to create a landing page. And to create a landing page, you can use Google Site to build landing pages. It's completely free. You don't need to pay money to use any of the features. You can use other builders like breezy.io, which is also free, but although they have some paid features. So I'm going to be taking Google Site as an example for this video. So now what you want to do is to come over to site.google.com and you want to click on this blank. So once you click on this blank, this section right here, you don't need it. All you need to do is to click on this delete right here. And once you do that, now you want to import the image you just screenshot. All you need to do is by clicking on this image, all right, and you want to click on this upload. And now you want to upload the image you just screenshot from Reddit. Okay, just like this. All right, so basically I can enlarge it a little bit, something like this. All right, so everything looks good. So now the next step is to create a Captcha locker for this video right here. And to do that, you can use platforms like ogads.com or you can use cpagrip.com. They pretty much accept everyone. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create a Captcha locker with CPA Grip. So what you need to do is to click on this create right here, and you want to click on agree to terms of service, and you want to click on continue. And once you do that, you want to come over to this template section right here, and you want to scroll down to where you are going to see this Captcha locker template. So once you click on this, now you want to basically go back to general, and you want to scroll down right here. And now you have two options. The first option is to basically download this video right here. And to download this video, all you need to do is to come over to this website right here called redditsave.com. So all you need to do is to click on this share button right here, and you are going to be able to get the link to this Reddit video right here. And all you need to do is to paste in the link to this Reddit video, and you want to click on download. So once you do that, as you can see, this is the video right here. You can download it. So once you've downloaded the video, you can come over to upload it to mediafire.com. Another option you have is to basically lock in the link to this video directly. And all you just need to do, if you go back to your CPA Grip account, you want to paste in the link to that Reddit video right here. Okay, so basically, like I said, you have two options. You can basically log the direct link to the video, or you can basically upload the video to Mediafire and you can grab the download link from Mediafire. Then you want to log the link right here. So basically, whatever option you want to use is up to you. And once the visitor clicks on this, as you can see right here, they are going to see this Captcha locker, and if they complete any of these offers, you make money. And now you can also preview what this locker looks like on mobile and on desktop. As you can see right here, this is what the locker looks like on mobile, and now you can change it to have a feel of what it looks like on desktop. So once you're done creating your content locker, all you just need to do from here is to click on save. And the final thing right here before you save is to basically give your locker a name. So now I'm just going to say example. So once you're done, all you need to do is to click on save. So now what you want to do from here is to basically come over to get the links to the content locker. And now if I copy the link to this locker and if I paste it in a new tab, as you can see, this is the content locker right here. And if they click on this, I am not a robot, they would have to complete one CPA offer and you make money and they get redirected to watch this video. So now for OG ads, all you just need to do is to come over to the tools section and you want to scroll down to where it says Captcha lockers. All right, so once you are here, all you just need to do is to basically come over to this section that says Captcha locker right here. So basically if I click on this right here, now all you just need to do is to give your content locker a name. So I'm going to take example right here. And you want to scroll down to the bottom of this page where it says redirect to another URL. So like I said, you have two options. You can use the direct link to this video, or you can basically upload the video to Mediafire and you can log the link. So for me, I am just going to use the direct link to this video and you are going to paste in the link to the video right here. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on this create locker right here. So once you do that, as you can see, this is our locker right here. So all you need to do is to click on these actions right here. And you want to click on this view details. And now what you want to do from here, you want to copy this script right here. So once you copy this script, you want to go back to your landing page and you want to click on this embed right here. And you want to come over to this embed code. Keep in mind, if you are using OG ads, this is what you need to do. You want to scroll to this embed code section and you want to paste this script right here. And you want to go back to OG ads and copy the second script. And so once you copy the second script right here, so you want to paste in the second script right here. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on next. So as you can see right here, this is the Captcha locker right here. So once people click on this, they are going to see CPA offers. And once they complete those offers, you make money. So now the final step is to click on insert. You want to drag this and paste it beside this image. And now the final thing is to drag a text and you want to type something like this. Please complete verification captcha to watch the video. All right, so now basically you want to give it a bold. So let's give it a bold and let's set it to maybe a 12. Now you want to drag and drop this on this Captcha locker. Okay, so basically once they come over to this page and they try to click on this video, they are going to see this text right here that says they have to complete verification captcha to watch this video. And all they need to do is to click on this captcha right here and they will be shown CPA offers that they need to complete before they can watch this Reddit video. So basically this is how you use it if you are on OG ads. However, if you don't have an OG ads account and you have only CPA grip, all you need to do is to copy the CPA grip link and you want to come back to your landing page right here and you want to click on this embed code. All right, now you want to use by URL right here if you are using CPA grip and you want to paste in the URL file locker link right here and you want to click on insert. Okay, as you can see right here, if you're on CPA grip, you can use your CPA grip URL file locker link as well and everything will work fine. So basically this is for those who are on CPA grip. You can use this, you can use your URL file locker as well. Okay, so basically that is all you need to do. So all right, so one final thing you can do is to drag this text right here, is to add another text and you can type in something like this video is unbelievable, just to get people curious enough to want to check out the video. Okay, so basically you want to give this a bold and now you want to drag this to the top of this landing page. You want to align it to the middle, and once you do this, now you can increase the font to, let's say 18. You want to highlight this unbelievable right here and give it a red. Okay, so basically once you do this, once people come over to this landing page, they try to watch this video, they have to complete this locker right here to watch the actual video. So this is all you need to do to create your landing page, and this literally takes less than 5 minutes. Now once everything looks good and you are done, you want to click on this publish right here. So basically you want to give this landing page a name that resonates with the video. Since this video is talking about petting a dog right here, so you want to give it a name that resonates with the video like this right here. petting dog. So I'm just taking this as an example, okay? And all you just need to do is to click on publish. All right, as you can see, this is the landing page right here. Simple, short, and straight to the point. So now once the visitors come to the landing page and they click on I am not a robot, as you can see right here, complete one offer to watch video. Okay, so basically all they need to do is to complete this offer right here and they will be redirected to this video. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do to set up your Captcha locker on Google site. And like I said, you can use paid landing page builders like breezy.io and the likes. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic. All you need to do is to look for Facebook groups that are already interested in this type of content. And now since we are working with the funny video niche, all you need to do is to come over to Facebook and you can type in funny groups and you want to make sure to filter these to groups. And now if I click on this group right here with over 80,000 members, as you can see right here, people are sharing funny videos on this Facebook group already. So basically this is the type of Facebook group you want to share this content. And all you need to do from here is to basically come over here and you want to click on write something. And now you want to basically come over here and you want to select this photo and you want to upload the screenshot of this video. All right, so now for what to type, you can basically come over to Reddit and you can use the same exact heading this person used right here. All right, so all you just need to do is to copy this right here. And if you go back to Facebook, you want to basically paste this right here. All right, and now you want to remove this quotation mark and then you want to go back to your landing page. All right, so all you need to do is to copy this landing page right here and you want to paste in the link to this landing page right here. So once that is done, all you just need to do is to click on post. Okay, so basically once people click to watch this video, they will be redirected to your landing page where they need to complete an offer before they can watch this video. So basically that is all you need to do for similar groups right here. As you can see, there are many groups that you can join and start sharing this content. Okay, and now you can also use Quora as well, and I'm going to show you how to use Quora. All right, so you can type in something like funny videos and you want to make sure you select topic right here. So once you do that, you want to scroll to this section that says view more spaces. You are going to see a lot of Quora spaces that you can basically share your content and get free traffic. And now this one as an example right here, LOL Club. So I'm going to take this one right here. So now once you join any of these Quora spaces, all you just need to do is to make sure to follow the Quora space. All right, as you can see, this one right here has over 5,000 members and you can see over 10 posts has been made today on this Quora space. Okay, as you can see, the posts are getting engagement. You can see this one 30 upvotes. You can see this post right here over 100 upvotes on this, which tells you people are engaging on Quora as well. So now once you follow this space by clicking on follow, you want to come over here to where it says submit and you want to click on this. And now you want to basically do the same thing you did on Facebook. You want to upload this image, the screenshot of the video right here. You want to paste in the heading of the video right here. And now you want to basically also grab the link to your landing page and you want to paste it right here. Okay, as you can see, once you paste that right here, it's going to automatically bring a preview of the landing page. And all you just need to do is to click on submit right here. So once you do that, that is all you need to do. You can basically repeat the same process for other Quora spaces. As you can see, this is also another space that you can share that content. And also, like I said, you don't have to use only this video and you don't have to use this niche alone. You can basically come over and type in health and fitness. All right, so basically if you type in fitness right here, you are also going to see a lot of content that you can basically use to replicate this strategy. So basically this is going to work for whatever niche you decide to go with. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.